Funeral homes typically try to help families grieve and get through their loss. Instead, with COVID-19, families are working to get around a loss. Funeral traditions are disrupted, and our Justin Andrews is live after talking to the director of Harrison Funeral Home in Alton. Justin?
The families have been robbed of traditional funerals, not being able to collectively grieve. The funeral director at Harrison says conversations with these families have been even more difficult lately.
It puts us at a bit of a dilemma because we have to tell family members that it's 10 or less. And so it's almost like depriving people of the right to grieve, even though they will still grieve on their own. But funeral service allows that final closure.
Harrison Funeral Chapel in Alton has been around well over 10 years. Recently, Marcus Harrison, the funeral director there, noticed more families opting for cremation. Things are different around there lately, making arrangements via Zoom or with just two family members. Not being able to physically comfort the bereaved, he says. He says to screen every call, he's asking healthcare providers if the person passed because of COVID-19 or if family members of that person have been exposed to the infection. He says there's also a shortage of PPEs for staff. He says many forget that funeral workers are also frontline workers of this pandemic, often the ones who have to go pick up the body and transport it. Harrison says he won't let up in giving families some closure. So just a few weeks ago, he actually had a drive-through funeral where these families were able to come in the parking lot, view their loved one, with practicing social distancing and also honoring their right to mourn. We're live in the Metro East this morning. I'm Justin Andrews, News 4.